Here is how this simple ingredient will solve your hair problems. Sodium chloride is the main chemical substance found in the table salt. The sea salt is a type of salt formed by the seawater evaporation. As we all know, the salt plays an important role in our lives. The saltiness is one of the main and basic human tastes. Besides its use in cooking all over the world, table salt possesses beauty benefits. Adding salt in beauty products can significantly improve your hair and skin. Keep reading and find out more about the beauty benefits of salt. You will be amazed. For hair. Anti-oily hair. The excessively active scalp's sebaceous glands are considered as the main cause of oily hair. Using salt can help you solve this issue. All you have to do is add 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt in your shampoo and wash your hair. After a few treatments you will notice remarkable results. Your hair will be healthy with no excess of oil. Anti-dandruff treatment. The dandruff is formed from small dead skin cell pieces. The salt can stimulate circulation and eliminate the dandruff flakes. It has the ability to protect the scalp from fungal growth. In order to eliminate dandruff, you should divide your hair into sections, and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt on the scalp. Massage gently with wet fingers for 10 minutes. Then, wash your hair as you regularly do. Hair growth. The sea salt is very beneficial for hair growth. If you suffer from hair loss, this salt can help you to stimulate the growth of your hair. You should wash your hair as normally and massage gently the wet scalp with salt for 10 to 15 minutes and wash your hair again. Repeat this procedure 2 times a week for 2 months and you will be amazed by the results. For skin. Softening body scrub. The salt can provide many benefits for your skin as well. You should mix sea salt with 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Scrub the body gently with this mixture. This will eliminate the dead skin cells. Then, just wash your body with shower gel. Balancing face mask. If your skin is sensitive and easily irritable, this mask can help you to prevent irritations due to its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It hydrates the dry skin areas and controls the secretion of oil. You should mix 2 teaspoons of sea salt and 4 teaspoons of raw honey. Apply this mixture to a clean and dry skin, make sure to avoid the eye area, and let it stand for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, rinse with warm water. Facial tone. Salt can be used as a facial toner due to its ability to penetrate into the skin pores and cleanse them. It can fight bacteria and control the production of oil. You should mix 1 teaspoon of sea salt and 4 ounces of warm water in a spray bottle. Spray it 1 to 2 times a day to dry and clean skin, but make sure to avoid the eyes.